How to change password on Dropbox. Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you guys how you can quickly change your password on Dropbox. So if you want to change your account's password, first open up your Google Chrome or any other web browser and head over to dropbox.com. Make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged in, on the left hand side you'll find a navigation bar with home, folders, activity, more, and then right below here you have different options to set up devices, see what's new on the website, and then you can also hide the seek bar. Once that is done, you'll find your account section right here. Click on it. Then you'll find settings, manage accounts, and other options. Go to manage accounts. Then you'll be taken to this page where you have an option to change your subscriptions. And if you scroll down, you'll find your account settings. Go ahead and click on this account settings and you'll land on this page. So here is the general account settings with the option to edit your photo, name, email address, language, state format, and time zone. And right besides that, you have the security tab. Just tap on it. And then here you'll get your password option. Now simply click on this change password button. Now here you just have to enter your old password and enter a new one. Then once you've done that, just click on the change password button and you should be good to go. That's how you basically change password on Dropbox. If you found this helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next video.